So hi guys, so for today's video we're gonna learn about on how to read and use the reporting and attribution dashboard in your Zapify.io set account. So first go to reporting, then view key metrics like leads generated, appointments booked, pipeline value, and revenue. So we don't have any reports here, but click new report. So let's say for example here we have here from either a black report or from template library or even clone existing report. So we're gonna select this one. Say for example this one. So here's the example for reporting from the report template. So we have here the overview and attribution, lead quality and activity. So just as I've said earlier, you can view the key metrics like the pipeline, and you can use the to fill date filter to analyze performance by day or week or even month. So here's the example. So you can use this dashboard in your weekly review to track performance and spot areas to improve. Also, you have here you can manage the permission and the page list. This one, the cover page, overview attribution, lead quality and activity. So here, so you can filterize the date that you want to review. Say for example this week. Okay, then apply. So automatically you can see the references for the last week. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.